Do it again, Paige.
Grandma, it's really sad when people move away.
I know it. Put some ducks in the bowl.
I need to first get some water for the duck. The swimming duck. Hello.
Duck?
No ducky. No ducky. She said duck.
I know she did.
She said ducky.
Duck?
Here's another duck.
Duck?
Duck. Duck. Maybe fish. 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 Oh, fishies, where are you? Oh, fishies. Where are you, fishies? Where are the fishies, Grandma?
I don't know. They're there. They're under the ball.
No, see? That was, see? Boing, boing, boing.